Hello, good day to you all. Welcome to Swapas Educational Consult. In our today's class, we shall be focusing on permutation. What is the meaning of permutation? Permutation simply means arrangement of data from group of a particular data. Arrangement of set of data from group of data. Now, this is factorial. Let's start with factorial. This is the symbol for factorial. The question number 1 says find 6 factorial. Find 6 factorial is this. 6 factorial simply means that is solution number 1. It means 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is the meaning of 6 factorial. So anytime you want to find a factorial of a particular number, you just have to start with that number, then multiply by the subsequent numbers when you minus 1 from the original number. Do you understand the logic? 6 factorial simply means 6 times 5. By the time we take away 1 from 6, we get 5. By the time we take away 1 from 5, we get 4. By the time we take away 1 from 4, we get 3. And so on like that. That is the meaning of factorial. Anytime you come across factorial, that is how to tackle it. So now 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 times 4 is 120. 120 times 3. 120 times 3, 0, 6, 3, that is 360. 360 times 2. 0, 12, 2 remain 1, 6 plus 1, 7. That is 720. So the answer to this question is 720. 720. That is the answer. 6 factorial simply means 720. So let's quickly go to number 2 questions. Question number 2 says, in how many ways can the word mathematics be arranged? How many ways can we arrange mathematics as a word? How many ways can we arrange mathematics as a word? This is the word mathematics. How can we arrange it? So the first thing that should come to our mind is, how many letters is this word mathematics? Let's count the number of letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that is 11 factorial. Then divided by the total number of the letters that make up mathematics is 11. That is why we are having 11 factorial. Then divided by, we now look at it. Is there any repeated letter in the word mathematics? Do we have any letter that is repeated twice or 3 times? Let's look at it. We have M repeated in 2 times. We have 2 factorial times. Is there another letter again that is repeated 2 times or 3 times? Let's look at it very well. We have A, it's also repeated in 2 times. 2 factorial times. Is there another letter again? If you look at it very well, T is also repeated. You also have 2 factorial times. Again, do we see have any other letter repeated? No other letter is repeated twice. If no other letter is repeated, then we now stop from there, then we continue and solve. We have 11 factorial simply means 11 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Everything divided by 2 factorial simply means 2 times 1 times another 2 factorial is 2 times 1 times another 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Do you understand the logic now? So let us first of all deal with the numerator before the denominator. Numerator before the denominator. 11 times 10 is 110. 110 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Numerator give us 39916,800 divided by denominator. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. That is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So what we have here divided by 8. 39916,800 divided by 8. So it gives us 4989,600 ways. So this is the number of ways the word mathematics can be arranged. Do you understand the logic now? So it can be arranged in 4989,600 ways. Let's go to the third one. The third one is, how many ways can the word committee be arranged? Let me clear this side. The word committee, how can we arrange it? That is the third question. Committee. The word committee. How many ways can it be arranged? Don't forget, the first thing that's come to our mind is, how many letters make this word? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 times. That is 9 factorial divided by. Do we have any repeated letter? C is not repeated. What about O? O is not repeated. What about M? M is repeated. How many times? 2 times. Times. What do we have? Okay, we also have T repeated 2 times. Then E is also repeated 2 times. You understand the logic now? So we now say 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Everything divided by 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Another 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Another 2 factorial is 2 times 1. Let's first of all deal with the numerator before the denominator. What do we have as numerator? In the numerator we have 9 times 8. 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. We have 362,880 divided by denominator. Now we have 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 1, 2. That is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8. So we therefore have 362,880 divided by 8. What do we have as our final answer? We have 45360 ways. So this is the number of ways that the word committee can be arranged. Do you understand the logic now? I believe it's clear to us. If it is not clear, watch the video again. Make sure you share our video, like our page, and give your comment. Thanks. See you later. Bye.